Good morning, friends. Thank you for joining me this morning for our show and tell. It was really awesome to get to see all of the books you guys brought in. It was really nice. So let's do our calendar. So, who remembers the name of our month? What month is it? We are in what begins with an M. We are in May. Can we say May? May. Good. We're in the month of May. We're in the month of May. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. We're in the month of May. We're in the month of May. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good, guys. Let's count how many days we have so far in the month of May. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What number comes after 12? It is 13, which is a 1 and a 3. Could we say 13? 13. Today is May 13th. And what year is it? It is 2020. So it is May 13th, 2020. And what season are we in, guys? What season are we in? We are in the season of spring, right? Can we say spring? Spring. We are in the season of spring. So let's figure out what day of the week it is. So yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Now let's figure out what today is. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What? What day comes after Tuesday? It is Wednesday. Can we say Wednesday? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Now let's figure out what tomorrow will be. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What? What day comes after Wednesday? It is Thursday. Can we say Thursday? Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, so let's go over the letter of the week. Actually, let's go over last week's letter first. Last week's letter was this. What letter was this? This was the letter S, right? And what sound does S make? It says S, right? It looks like a snake, and it makes a snake sound. S, S. So we say S, 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 S. This week's letter is... What letter is this, friends? Good, this is L. And what sound does L make? L says L, right? Like lollipop. Can we say lollipop? Lollipop. Very good. So, this week's sight word has to do with our word family. Right? This week's sight word was B-I-G. What does B-I-G spell? It spells big, right? Like something is really big. Can we say big? Big. Good. So, our word family is the I-G word family, right? I-G says ig, and we can add letters on the front to make a word. So we started with B, right? This is our sight word, B-I-G, ig, right? Spells big. The next one we had done was this letter. What letter is this? It's the letter P. And what sound does P make? P says p, right? So we have p, ig, ig. Do we hear a word there? It is pig. Can we say pig? Pig. And then the last one we had done was this. What letter is this? It's the letter D. And what sound does D make? D says duh, right? Now we're going to add ig. So we have da, ig, da, ig, da, ig. What do we hear? It is dig, right? Like we dig in the sand. So can you guys repeat after me? Remember, all of our words will rhyme because anything that has the same ending sound rhymes. We have ig, big, big, pig, pig, dig, dig. Very good, guys. Okay, so let's go over our numbers of the month. Our first one is a 1 and a 7. What number is a 1 and a 7? What number is this, friends? Good, this is 17. Can we say 17? 17. And then we have a 1 and an 8. What number is a 1 and an 8? This is 18. Can we say 18? Good. So we have 17, 17, 18, 18. Very good. So let's go over our color of the month. What? Oh, that is not our color of the month. That's our shape. Just kidding. What color is this, guys? Good. This is purple. Could we say purple? Purple. Good. And what is our, for real this time, what is our shape of the month? What shape is this, guys? Good. This is a square. Could we say square? Square. What do we know about squares, guys? What do they have to have? Right. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. What else do they have? 4 of? They have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners that are right angles, right? And all the sides have to be what? All the sides are the same, right? Very good. We are going to actually learn 2 new shapes today. We've seen them once or twice before, but we haven't really talked about them. So the first one has been in a few of your building blocks games, but we have to talk about what it is first. Does anyone know what we call this shape? This shape is called half circle, okay? Or another name would be semicircle, but we're going to go with half circle. So why do they call it half a circle? Well, if I were to take this shape and lay another one just like it right underneath it, what shape does it make? It makes a circle, okay? That's why they call it half circle. It's like someone took a circle and snipped it in half or karate chopped it in half, okay? Right down the middle, okay? We'd get just this part, which is why we call it half circle. So how do we know it's a half circle? Well, it has something we haven't seen yet. It has both straight sides and curved sides. Now, we haven't seen that yet in a shape, right? So the bottom line is what? Is this curved or straight? This bottom side is straight, okay? And what kind of line is the top side? It is curved, okay? So it has a straight side on the bottom and a curved side on the top, okay? So one more time, this is half circle. Could we say half circle, half circle? Good. And again, we call it that because it literally looks like half a circle. Again, straight line on the bottom, curved line on the top. The next shape we're going to learn is this one. Again, we've seen this before, but we're going to go over it just to make sure because we haven't really talked about it too much. So what shape is this? Does anybody know? It looks like a house, but that's not the name of the shape. Let's count how many sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight sides. A shape with 5 straight sides we call a pentagon. Can we say that together? Pentagon. Ready? Pentagon. And it has only straight sides, all right? We don't see any curved sides. And it looks, like I said, it kind of like a house or a baseball, like a plate, but it is called a pentagon. So could we say pentagon? Pentagon. 5 straight sides. 5 straight sides. Good. We're going to keep going over the half circle and the pentagon a few more times, friends, but those are the 2 new shapes we're going to talk about. So friends, we are going to continue to talk about how to take care of a baby, right? You guys had given me a lot of ideas when I had emailed to you, and we also talked about it a lot during small groups yesterday, right? We know that babies have to eat special foods, right? They drink milk when they're first born. And then they also start to eat mushy foods when they get a little bit bigger, right? But they can't eat things that we do, right? Like they can't eat hamburgers or pizza or pasta. Why is that? Well, they don't have any teeth, right? So you guys said we have to feed them milk from a bottle, right? And give them squishy food. We also talked about the kind of toys we give a baby, right? We don't want to get anything small that they can choke on or that they could break, right? So like phones, terrible choice for babies, right? We said things like a rattle was a good choice instead. We also don't want to give a baby, when it comes to books, anything they could break either, right? We said like our regular paperback books are not so great. But the book I actually have today, this book is actually would be good for a baby, right? It's got hard pages. It's kind of hard to break, okay? What else do we talk about? Where does a baby sleep? Do you guys remember the name of a special bed a baby sleeps in? Right, they sleep in a crib, right? And we are going to be reading a book today about a character I think you guys all know, Daniel Tiger. Now, some of you might have actually seen the episode that goes with this. There's an episode of Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood about this, and I have the book that goes along with it. This book is called Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Big Brother Daniel. So we're going to find out about how Daniel could be a good big brother. What is something you guys think already he could do to be a good big brother to the new baby? Is there anything he could do? What do you think? Well, let's see how he takes care of the baby. Daniel has some graphic news to share. He is a big brother. Do you want to meet the baby? Asked Daniel. So there's Daniel's new baby. This is my new baby sister, Margaret, Daniel says. She is so little. Right? Look how big Daniel is and look how little his baby sister is. She cries a lot too, Daniel says. Baby Margaret cries, so we know that she needs something. And being a big brother means I can help, right? Because can babies talk? No, right? They cry to tell you what they need. So Daniel, as a big brother, could help his baby sister by giving her things that she needs when she cries to make her feel better. So what is something you think Daniel can give her when she cries? Yeah, maybe you can give her toys or maybe some food, right? Play with her to make her laugh. You could be a big helper in your family. Daniel is a big helper. He helps mom feed the baby. So here's something that's important. Daniel and his mommy are eating soup. Is this a good food for a baby? No, right? Babies don't eat soup. What is the baby eating instead? Right? She's drinking milk from a what? A bottle, right? Babies drink milk from a bottle. You could be a big helper in your family. Daniel helps Dad give baby Margaret a new diaper. So how come baby Margaret is using diapers? Why doesn't she just go on the potty? Right? Babies aren't potty trained yet. They don't know how to use the potty. They have to be taught. So when they're first born, they go potty in their diapers instead. You could be a big helper in your family. Daniel tells a special story to his baby sister. Margaret loves her book. It's called Margaret's Music. Daniel gave that book to her on the day she was born. So big brothers and sisters can be nice to their little baby siblings by reading to them, right? Toby said today during show and tell that he likes to read to Phoebe, right? And that's a nice thing we could do to babies. We couldn't read books to them because babies certainly can't read books. When Margaret takes a nap, Daniel has some special time with just mom and dad. Daniel likes this special time. So look, where is baby Margaret sleeping? What kind of bed does she sleep in? Right, yeah, she sleeps in a crib, which is a special type of bed for babies. They can't sleep in big people beds yet, right? They need something that is small and baby size and also has these high, big sides so the baby can't roll out. During nap time, Daniel bakes banana bread with mom and helps dad feed the fish. So this is their special time together. Sometimes even a big brother needs a big hug. Daniel says, our family is bigger now that baby Margaret is here, and that makes me happy. You could be a big helper in your family too. Agamaga. So look, Daniel is being a good big brother by holding his baby sister and hugging her, right? Also, we notice that he's holding baby Margaret's head, right? And that's another important thing. When we hold a baby, we have to hold their head. The end. So I hope you guys liked this Daniel Tiger book. So that is it for today. I did a little bit of a shorter circle video just because we had done our show and tell already during our small group. So we kind of did circle already. So I will see you tomorrow, friends, where we will learn more about babies and more about shapes. Bye.